Communication technology is the important basis of society to support business, education, medical, and other various fields, and is enhancing the various local communities. Through the growth of AI and new service applications, data traffic is expected to explode in the coming future. Therefore, it is critical to take full advantage of the potential of mmWave broadband communication. For the upcoming data traffic explosion, Kyocera proposes mmWave broadband solutions. Kyocera provides solutions for areas where last-mile fiber optic cables are difficult to install, and for buildings where fiber-to-the-building connection is a bottleneck for high-speed network construction. The settings are as follows. Kyocera's mmWave broadband solution has three major components: 5GmmWave base station, CPE and Wi-Fi router. By simply installing the 5GmmWave CPE and Wi-Fi router, it is possible to build a high-speed broadband environment. Here is an example of our verification results for a complex housing solution. In the field tests, downlink 2.5 Gbps and uplink over 400 Mbps were confirmed. The advantages of mmWave broadband solutions are clear when compared to LTE. Next is Kyocera's highly accurate simulation technology. By reflecting the data and know-how obtained from mmWave field tests on the simulator, Kyocera has realized accurate simulation technology. For complex housing, Kyocera's simulator can identify the communication quality and stability in each dwelling unit, and it is possible to support business acceleration, as it can clearly figure out where the mmWave solutions will be serviceable. For non-line of sight environments, we realize cutting-edge simulations for RIS, meta-surface reflectors and refractors. For this reason, we can provide a wide range of support, from constructing optimal areas to proposing designs for ORU stations, with high investment efficiency. 5GmmWave broadband solutions have enormous potential to support people's lives by enriching communication environments. Kyocera's 5GmmWave solutions and network technologies will contribute to the evolution of broadband services worldwide.